Hey everyone, welcome to TechBase. In today's video, I'm gonna show you how to delete note on Evernote. So let's get started. Begin by launching your Evernote application. To delete note on Evernote, first you need to move note to trash. To do that, just select the note that you would like to delete. Tap on the three horizontal dots at the top right corner of your screen. Scroll down and tap on Move to Trash option. Now tap on the hamburger menu at the bottom left corner of your screen. There you can find Trash option. Tap on it. Now select the trash that you would like to delete. Tap on the three horizontal dots at the top right corner of your screen, and then select Delete Note Forever option. If you are sure, tap on Delete button. And this is how you can delete note on Evernote. Thanks for watching TechBase. If you like this video, hit the like button and drop a comment with any questions or feedback. If you are new, subscribe and click the bell icon to stay updated on the future videos.